Very well, adventurer. That was nifty. Right Rabbit. Yeah, they're recycling these names for sure.
CodeCombat.
Bam, bam, bam. Goal. Escape from the maze. The room is full of traps. Don't worry. And follow the light stone. The light stone is an item. You can find it with the heroes. Find nearest item method. Try to collect the light stone by moving to its position. It is fast, but it will guide you to the exit. Each item has a property POS, which contains the item's position. The object POS has properties X and Y. Use them to find where you should move. Okay. Alright, so while true, if the item store the item's position into a new variable. What should we name this variable though? So we can't use the same variable, can we? I don't know, can we? Probably gonna mess it up, but we'll see. And why? I think I'm gonna have to rename that item to something else, honestly. There gotta be a capital X and Y? Probably. I feel like I gotta name item something else. But maybe not. We'll see. Yeah, we're not moving. What happened? It's not defined. Me, it's not defined. Oh. Okay, relax. I see that horse is not defined. Shouldn't that be that? Maybe? I don't know. There we go. Oh! Guide me! That fire is aggressive. Yay! Yeah, we needed to define POS to use it. That makes sense.